Ever pondered what the top 5 best dishes in the world are? Well, prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey like no other, as we explore the gastronomic delights that top the global charts. Coming in at number 5, we have the tantalizing Lebanese tabbouleh. This dish is a testament to the beauty of simplicity. It's a refreshing salad that marries finely chopped parsley with bulgur wheat, tomatoes, mint, and a zesty dressing of lemon juice and olive oil. The result? A burst of freshness with every bite, a dish that enlivens the senses and leaves you craving for more. Next at number 4, we find ourselves in Spain, home to the savory and satisfying paella. This dish is a symphony of flavors, a medley of succulent seafood, chicken, rabbit, and sometimes snails, all cooked together with saffron-infused rice in a large flat pan. Each bite is a testament to Spain's rich culinary heritage, a true feast for the senses. Taking the third spot, we jet off to Thailand for the spicy and sour tom yum soup. This dish is a true embodiment of Thai cuisine's complexity, blending sour, sweet, spicy, and salty flavors in a fragrant broth teeming with shrimp, mushrooms, and aromatic herbs. It's a dish that warms the soul and tantalizes the taste buds. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we find ourselves in India, savoring the iconic chicken tikka masala. This dish is a melody of spices, tender chicken pieces marinated in yogurt and spices, then cooked in a creamy tomato sauce. The result is a dish that's rich, hearty, and utterly satisfying, a true testament to India's rich culinary traditions. And finally, taking the top spot as the world's best dish, we arrive in Italy, the birthplace of the universally loved pizza. This dish is the epitome of Italian culinary mastery, a perfect balance of a crispy, chewy crust, tangy tomato sauce, and melty cheese, often adorned with a variety of toppings. It's a dish that has conquered palates worldwide, a true culinary superstar. To summarize, our top 5 dishes are a testament to the diversity and richness of global cuisine. From the refreshing Lebanese tabbouleh, the hearty Spanish paella, the complex Thai tom yum soup, the flavorful Indian chicken tikka masala, to the universally adored Italian pizza, these dishes are more than just food. They're cultural expressions, stories told through flavors and textures, a testament to the culinary prowess of their respective cultures. So, next time you're pondering what to eat, remember these top 5 dishes and embark on a culinary adventure that spans continents.